Joseph Singoma ogu ni prana wa district ya Kasese kandi uri kugambwa kubana we yahikira hamwanya ogu nagira ngo izobe rya nyuma abazyo enjure gwire nyingi munonga ekiretiro mweje mure gwaba mwinji gutyo no mugera gukatwariramu abana abo bashangire batabamire.
3 p.m. Kasese received heavy rain and caused the river flooding, and particularly River Mubuku, it overflooded, and somewhere our 2 children were engulfed.
Sandeka muhanda ogunishe wa Regan Mugabe nagira ngo nawe kwagire kwihamu abana aba na wamizi gabandize gamukwata kace gamutwale
nkentalo nasango mwana mizi gamukwati akisaro bana kabana babiri abukuba nanye nzire nagamba ntinanye kankoro cyange cindashobole nayambuka amezi ndabira rutino rwambuku nayambuka amezi nyikendiomu naye naraba nyani bange banyamba baje bankwasa abana twarugaye nayo byagamba byange byagarukira.
Singoma na Mustafa Chikusa ogu nori gwo monteje so muhandici mukuru mu office yori kuraba kozo mu district ya Kasese ameza makuraga ari kugira ngo abana aba nibo bajungwirwe ku rugo mizi abo mugano gubire gwaza kutwara izoba niryo rimwe.
Right now we are running to midnight, and the locals have used all what it takes to rescue the boys right now. And we had secured the crane from Hima Cement, but also could not access the site because it is far and deep in the valley.
The good news now, at exactly 11, just a few minutes to midnight, we have been able to rescue the 2 children.
Ruth Kahunde uguni kansara uri kujekera town kanse ya Mubuku ashabire government kufayo munonga kubombekero rundi rutindo orurije gumiza mu kuba yamba na munonga umubwire bwenjura nkobu
choka government bensaba ndere tuli ordindo rulifo kuli musenta kulu nikisadzo bensaba biyambi bordindo rundi eruguru kulu government mutuyambe afitera ordindo orundi
bokanda abaturage abayikira mwanya nigwo gumwe bazire ngo umushango bari kugwejekerera polisi yanjire kwihamwa abantu aba babire bari kutwarwa mizi kandi obwo bayikire ko bari kubareba na misho gabo.
Police took long to appear, and however much it appeared, it didn't bring the experts. It went back to bring the marine police. They also appeared, but they didn't manage the situation.
N'obukirabe abaturage ababona bashabwa okuzolerisho nkabalinda wakame na munonga babali kwambuka emigera nkeji omubwire nkobu obuli mwenjura nyamwinji.
During this season, the forecasting is saying we are going to receive heavy rains, and people should desist from using the valleys of River Nyamwamba, of River Mubuku. All our rivers are stubborn and they are susceptible to floods.
Aho munyamakuru witu yaza kushakira amakuraga polisi yabetaka garukire mu nekigambo na kimwe abikwatiriine no kutwarwa kw'abana aba. Amakuraga gashakwa Godwin ali naitwe Bwambale abwa tayari West omuri Kasese.
Ebare Bwambale